Cross EMS are getting ready for possible severe weather this weekend. News Channel 6's Darnisa Jefferson has more on how the weather could affect emergency response times.
Gold Cross leaders say they are fully staffed and prepared to handle any calls that come in during the storm. But they also say high wind speeds and severe weather could affect response times. Gold Cross EMS leaders making preparations ahead of possible severe weather from Hurricane Ian.
We overstaff for storms, and hospitals do as well as much as possible.
Hurricane Ian could bring heavy rain and high winds to the CSRA this weekend. Weather Colonel John Smith says could affect response times in an emergency.
It's harder to drive an ambulance in high winds. Okay, they are obviously tall and they don't handle real well when winds are 45, 50 miles an hour. So if it gets even to 50, sustained 50, we'll have to really slow our response time down.
High wind speeds could decrease response times, and first responders will stay off the roads once wind speeds reach 45 to 50 miles per hour.
If it's raining very hard, the winds are high, it's going to take us longer to get to you just for visibility purposes and stability of the ambulance. And we'll keep up with you. Our dispatch will stay in touch with you. If things change, you'll keep them updated, and they'll update our crews, and we'll get to you just as fast as we can.
Smith says we could see a higher call volume if there are power outages, but EMS will still be ready to respond.
Our offices have generators, so we usually have power. There's been a little more travel difficulties because lights will be out. We'll have to be more careful with that.
In Augusta, Darnisa Jefferson, WJBF News Channel 6.